Welcome to our comprehensive guide on using fresh amazing IKEA codes in 2025 to get IKEA vouchers for free. This tutorial will walk you through the process of finding and applying these codes to save money on your next IKEA purchase. First, it is essential to understand what IKEA codes are. These codes are special promotional offers provided by IKEA to its customers, giving them discounts on various products. They can be found on the IKEA website, social media, or through email newsletters. To find fresh amazing IKEA codes, start by visiting the IKEA website and looking for the promotions section. You can also follow IKEA on social media platforms to stay updated on the latest codes and offers. Additionally, signing up for the IKEA newsletter will give you access to exclusive codes and discounts. Once you have found a code, it is crucial to read the terms and conditions to understand how to use it. Most codes have an expiration date and can only be used on specific products. Make sure to check the code's validity and the products it can be applied to before making a purchase. To apply an IKEA code, simply add the products you want to purchase to your shopping cart and proceed to checkout. At the checkout page, you will find a field to enter your code. Type in the code and click Apply to get your discount. It is also important to note that some codes may have restrictions, such as minimum purchase requirements or exclusions on certain products. Always check the code's details before using it to avoid any issues. Best practices for using IKEA codes include always checking the expiration date, reading the terms and conditions, and only using codes from trusted sources. By following these tips, you can save money on your IKEA purchases and get the most out of your shopping experience. In conclusion, using fresh amazing IKEA codes is a great way to save money on your next IKEA purchase. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can find and apply these codes to get IKEA vouchers for free. Remember to always check the terms and conditions, and only use codes from trusted sources to ensure a smooth and successful shopping experience.